Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you all are doing good. We have seen about the microprocessor, RAM, ROM and all in the last session. In computer organization chapter, we are going to see the continuation of that in this session. Okay. Hope you all would have learned the characteristics of microprocessor question, right? If you haven't learned it, just make sure as soon as completing this class, as soon as seeing this class, make sure you learn the characteristics of microprocessor question and then do the next works. Okay. And now we are going to see the types of ROM. Okay, we have seen the types of ROM as PROM, programmable read-only memory, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory, and EEPROM, that is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, we are going to see about this types of ROM in this chapter. Okay. Programmable read-only memory, that PROM, is a non-volatile memory. Okay. Already we have seen RAM, random access memory, as a volatile memory, and read-only memory, ROM, is a non-volatile memory. And here programmable read-only memory is a non-volatile memory. Okay. Because in this programmable read-only memory, it can be written only once. Okay, once a program is written inside this PROM, it remains there forever. We cannot change it, or the contents inside it cannot be changed. Okay, even when the computer is turned off, the programmable read-only memory will remain same. Okay, this programmable read-only memory and this ROM has one difference. That is, ROM means in this ROM, it will be programmed when the manufacturing process is done itself. In this PROM, a programmer or a burner will write the data into this PROM chip. Okay, in this programmable read-only memory, a programmer or a programmable read-only memory burner will write the data in this programmable read-only memory chip. Okay, the process of writing the data inside this programmable read-only memory chip is known as burning the PROM. Okay, we'll say it as programmable read-only memory burner writing the data inside this programmable read-only memory chip, and this process is known as burning the PROM. Okay, and the next one is erasable programmable read-only memory. From the word itself, we can say it is erasable programmable read-only memory. Already we have seen what is programmable read-only memory. This is erasable programmable. That means we can erase the content which is in this programmable read-only memory. Okay, this erasing process can be done using this ultraviolet rays. Okay, in this EPROM, the content in this EPROM, when it is exposed to ultraviolet rays, this contents will be cleared. Okay, so that it can be reprogrammed. Another program can be written inside this EPROM. Okay, this may come for 1 mark, 2 mark, and last year in last 2019 or 2018 exam and all, they have asked for 3 marks also. The answer is only a single word, ultraviolet rays or UV rays. Okay, how can we delete a content, delete the data, or delete the content, or reprogram the EPROM? Means how to write this word ultraviolet rays. Using this ultraviolet rays, we can erase or reprogram the memory. Okay, this EPROM and this ultraviolet rays, it is given in your book in page number 36. Make sure you underline both the words, this EPROM and ultraviolet rays. Okay, in this EPROM, when this EPROM is exposed to ultraviolet light or the ultraviolet rays, the content in this EPROM will be erased or cleared and we can reprogram it. Okay, now let's see the difference between programmable read-only memory and erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, in this PROM, that is programmable read-only memory, it can be written only once. Okay, but in this EPROM, we can erase it and write it again. Okay, that is the difference between this programmable read-only memory and erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, so this EEPROM is used widely in personal computers. Okay, in normal computers and all, we'll use this EEPROM. Okay, because this enabled the manufacturer to change the content of the programmable read-only memory, and it will replace it with the updated version, or it will erase the content before the computer is delivered. Okay, the diagram or the picture of this erasable programmable read-only memory is given in your book, and I'll display it here also. This is erasable programmable read-only memory chip. Okay, and the next one is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Electrically erasable, from the word itself you can say electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It is a read-only memory, that is, it is a programmable read-only memory, electrically erasable. That means we can erase the data in this programmable read-only memory by exposing it to a electrical charge. Okay, when some electrical charge is exposed in this programmable read-only memory, the content here will be deleted. Okay, this retains its content even when the power is off. Okay, when we compare with ROM, this electrically erasable programmable read-only memory is the slower in all other ROM. Okay, the next we are going to see about cache memory. Okay, cache memory means it is a high speed. It's a very high speed memory, and it is little expensive also. Okay, this is used to speed up the memory process. So the data which is stored in the main memory can take so much of time than this cache. Okay, so compared to the main memory, the size of the main memory, this cache will be small. This cache memory is a little expensive also, as I said before. Since this is expensive, the size is also small, and the main memory will be little large, and it will take time more than the cache. Okay, this when you are getting a data from the main memory, it will be very slow. But at the same time, if you are getting the same data from the cache memory, it will consume very less time. So we'll say this is a fast memory. Okay, fast memory, and this in this only we can access frequently. Okay, the access time or the response time is referred as quick memory access time. Okay, to both the read and write process, this cache memory has the lesser access time. Okay, in this diagram they have shown the cache memory between the CPU and the main memory. Okay, when you see this diagram also, you can understand the read and write process or fetching the data between the CPU and cache, or the cache and CPU will be fast, but between the main memory, it will be very slow. Okay, and the next one we are going to see is secondary storage devices. The secondary storage devices has a limited amount of main memory. Okay, this is expensive and volatile. Okay, this is used to save programs and data which has to be there, or which has to be stored permanently. Okay, this secondary memory, we can say it is a supportive storage for the main memory. Okay, they are non-volatile in nature, right? And the secondary storage, we can say it is a backup storage also. Okay, in the secondary storage devices, first one is hard disk. Okay, hard disk means you all would have seen it is a magnetic disk, right? Magnetic disk which can store some data. Okay, this in this hard disk, it will have an arrangement like stack. Okay, this stack like arrangement of disk will be present, and a pair of heads for each of the disk. One pair of head will be there. Okay, this hard disk will come either single sided or double sided disk. Okay, next one is CD. You all would have seen CD and DVD. Do you know the expansion for that CD and DVD that we are going to see now? Okay, CD means it is compact disk. Okay, CD or CD-ROM. Okay, this is made from a 1.2 millimeter thickness of polycarbonate plastic material. Okay, very thin layer of aluminum or a gold will be applied to the surface. Okay, the CD data will be represented as a small indication like pits. Okay, this will be encoded like a spiral. You would have seen the old model CDs and all. One motor like something will be kept above the CD, and when the CD rotating, we'll hear the song, right? That is the basic operation of the CD. Okay, here the area between the pits will be known as lands. Okay, a motor will be there inside the CD player and it will rotate the disc. Okay, and likewise only the CD will be working. Okay, CD means an ordinary CD will have a capacity of 700 MB only. The CD is a ROM or CD-ROM. We can say it as CD-ROM also. This is a read-only memory. We cannot change any data which is inside that. Okay. Next one is DVD. DVD means digital versatile disc. Okay, this is a here we can say it as a digital video disc also or digital versatile disc also, DVD. Okay, this is a optical disc. Okay, this can store up to 4.7 GB of data also. This is 6 times of CD. CD means what I said. CD means we have only 700 MB, but in DVD we can save up to 4.7 GB of data. Okay, this DVDs are used for storing some movies which has a better quality. If it is having a better quality, we need a large storage space, right? So DVDs are preferred to store a movie with best qualities. Okay, like CDs, this DVDs are also can be redone by what, a laser light. Okay, then this disc can have one or two sides, or it can have one layer or two layer. Okay, this all the sides and layers, the number of the sides, number of layers, this all will determine the capacity of this DVD. Okay, that only determines how much the data it can hold. Okay, if it is double layered, usually it will be gold colored. Okay, if it is a single layered or single sided means it will be usually will be in silver color. Okay, we'll have seen silver color CDs in our locality, right? So these are single layered or a single sided CD. Okay, if it is double layered or a double side DVD means it will be gold colored. Okay, double layered means gold colored, single layered means silver color. Okay, and next we are going to see about flash memory. Okay, flash memory means it is a electronic non-volatile computer storage medium. Okay, in a computer it would be stored. It is a non-volatile memory. Flash memory means it is a electronic or a solid state non-volatile storage medium. Okay, this can be erased electrically and it can be programmed again. Okay, these are either electrically erasable programmable read-only memory or erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, the example of this flash memories are pen drives, memory cards. We'll use this, right? Memory cards will be in our mobile phones and pen drives we'll use for copying some data, right? So this pen drives, memory cards, these all will come under this flash memories only. Okay, this can be used in or PC, personal computer, or PDA, personal digital assistants, or in the players, camera, in mobile phones, in digital audio players, video players. Here all we'll use this pen drive and memory cards. Okay, we'll connect this memory card or this pen drive to the TV even, and now we can watch movies or you can hear some songs, right? This flash memory offers a fast access time. You all know, we all would have been used to this pen drive only. We know about this pen drive, right? The time taken to read or write will be called as the access time. Okay, read or write something from the memory. The time taken to read or write a character in a memory is called as access time. Okay, this access time will be fast when it comes to flash memory. Okay, the capacity of the flash memory will vary from 1 GB to 2 TB also. Okay, nowadays we have 2 TB pen drives also. Okay, this is the image of a flash memory or a pen drive, right? You all would have seen nowadays small chip-sized pen drives are also there, and so many designed pen drives are also available in the market, right? Next one is Blu-ray disc. This is a high density optical disc. Okay, when you see this, it will be similar to DVD only, but this type of disc is used for games. You would have heard PlayStation. Some gamers, if you are listening to this class, sometimes you would have used PlayStation CDs, right? This PlayStation CDs and all will be of high definition CDs, right? And so this will be of Blu-ray disc only. Okay, some HD movies are also will be saved in this Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc means it will have a high definition quality. Okay, a double layer Blu-ray disc means it can store up to 50 GB. Okay, normally we saw in this pen drive we can save till 1 GB to 2 GB, right? Normal DVD means I said you it will save up to 4.7 GB. CD means 700 MB. But in this Blu-ray disc, in a single Blu-ray disc, it's a double layer Blu-ray disc means it can store up to 50 GB. Okay, 50 GB of data can be stored. Okay, DVD uses a red laser to read and write the data. Normally, DVD will use a red laser light, but this Blu-ray will use blue-violet laser light to write. Okay, blue-violet. DVD means it is a red laser light. Blu-ray disc means it will take a blue-violet, blue and violet color laser to write. Okay, so this is called Blu-ray. Okay, blue-violet color laser this will use, and so only this is known as Blu-ray. Okay, and now we are going to see about the ports and interfaces. Okay, ports and interfaces. The motherboard, you all would have known about the motherboard, right? Motherboard means which is inside the computer, right? Motherboard of a computer has many input and output circuits, right? This will be connected to some, it will have some ports. So that using that ports only we can connect the keyboard or mouse or any other external devices. We can connect it through this port, right? This external devices connecting this connecting portion or the connecting regions only we'll say it as ports and interfaces. Okay, the various types of ports are serial port, parallel port, USB port, USB 3.0, VGA connector, audio plugs, PS bar 2 port, SCSI port, and HDMI ports. Okay, so we are going to see what is serial port first. Serial port means this is used to connect the external device which is found in old computers and all. Okay, parallel port means this in this parallel port only will connect the printer and all. Okay, in the olden computers and all, to connect printer we'll have a parallel port. Okay, and then USB port. USB means you all know USB is the pen drive. Pen drive port only we'll say it as USB port. Okay, this is used to connect some devices like a camera, scanner, mobile, some hard disk or some printers also. Okay, then the next one is USB 3.0. That is the third version of the USB, right? USB means you all know universal serial bus, right? USB is universal serial bus. Okay, this is the thing to connect the computers with the other electronic devices. Okay, this USB 3.0 can transfer the data which is up to 5 GB also per second. Okay, 5 GB data can be transferred for in a second using this USB third version. Okay, and USB 3.1, USB 3.2 are also there. Okay, and the next one is VGA connector. This is used to connect the monitor or the projector or the LCD display or any displaying devices will be connected using this VGA connector. Okay, this is the VGA connector port. Okay, can you see in this diagram? This is the VGA connector port. Okay, audio plugs. Next one is audio plugs means from the word itself we can say this is used to connect the headphones or microphone or the speaker. This and all we can connect it in the audio plugs. Okay, next one is PS bar 2 port. PS bar 2 is nothing but it is used to connect the mouse and keyboard. Okay, this mouse and keyboard is the main thing in this computer, right? So this mouse and keyboard can be connected in this PS bar 2 port. Okay, and the next one is SCSI. This is used to connect the hard disk drives and the network connections. Okay, this SCSI port means small computer system interface. Okay, this is not given in your book. Just for your knowledge, I am saying SCSI means small computer systems interface. Okay, this is used to connect the hard disk drives and network connectors. Okay, all these ports are given in your book itself in page number 38. You can see the ports there. And if you have a computer or laptop in your home, just see the ports, what all are present in behind the monitor or in the CPU and all, what are the ports present, and just write it down and send it to me. Okay, say what are the ports present there. Okay, or if you can take a pic of it and find what port is that and send it to me. Okay, in TV also these ports will be there. You can, if you can, just take a pic of it in behind the TV or in some Blu-ray disc or some DVD players and all. These ports will be there. If you can, just take a pic of it and find what port is that and then send it to me. Okay, and the next last topic in this chapter is high definition multiple interface. You all would have heard HDMI cable, HDMI. What is that HDMI? HDMI is high definition multimedia interface. Okay, this is a audio and video interface which transfers uncompressed video and audio data from a video controller to a computer monitor or a LCD or a TV or a digital television or somewhere to display. Okay, this HDMI port, or this here in this diagram you can see micro HDMI and normal HDMI port is there. Micro HDMI means it will be a small one, and HDMI means this is the HDMI port. This is used to display, or this is used to transfer the uncompressed video and audio data to a computer monitor or to a projector or to a LCD screen or to a TV or any type of displaying devices. Okay, understood? In that displaying this high definition display will get only when we are using this HDMI cable. Okay, HDMI is nothing but high definition multimedia interface. Okay, we have come to the end of the chapter. That's all for today. We have learned about computer organization. We have come to the end of the chapter, and in the next session we are going to learn about operating systems. Okay, thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.